So today I want to make a video to show you the new affiliate manager. So I renamed it Referral Manager, and I did Referral Partners because my affiliates are going to be more of local people. I can go into the campaign, or I can create a new campaign by simply adding it here, and that is done very easily. If I go to affiliates or referral partners, I can now add a new referral partner very quickly. So let's do that here, john@doe.com, and his name is John Doe, and I can immediately assign him to a campaign. I can save that, and then I can add some additional information. I can add a website that I have, a phone number, company phone number, tax IDs, in this case here, what country they're in, address, their picture, and I can also add a W-8 and a W-9 form, the tax form, and then of course I can give John also a custom referral ID. So since John is a very common name, I could call him John Doe something, and I can also assign a coupon code to John. So when I click done here, I can go to the client portal. When I am in the client portal as John Doe, I can see his campaigns here. So missions, leads, the dashboard, and the media that he has available for the referral campaign. So that is how I add an additional affiliate there. That affiliate has now custom referral IDs. Again, to show the custom referral IDs, I can go in here and edit. I can go to advanced settings, and there is the custom referral ID. And, of course, you can go to more details again and have additional info for our associate or referral that we can keep here in the same spot. So that is it. That's how you use the affiliate manager. You can have different campaigns, so you're very flexible in how to use this affiliate manager.